Our primary goal throughout this project has been to prioritize affordance, starting right from the homepage. Let's delve into how we achieve this and why it matters. We initiated our design approach by placing a strong emphasis on the homepage, the gateway to our banking app. Recognizing the importance of affordance, we strategically gathered the most frequently used functions and brought them to the forefront. This deliberate arrangement ensures that users can easily locate and access the services they use the most, fostering a user-centric experience. To enhance affordance, we made a conscious decision to employ clear, sizable icons that accurately depict the functionality that they represent. These icons serve as visual cues, making it instantly obvious for users to identify and understand the actions associated with each function. By prioritizing clarity and size, we aim to create an interface that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but more importantly, user-friendly and accessible. Affordance isn't just about static elements, it's also about dynamic interactions. We've invested efforts into making it abundantly clear how UI elements interact with each other. Providing users with reassuring feedback is crucial in instilling confidence during these interactions with the app. Whether it's subtle animations confirming a successful transaction or an intuitive response to a user input, we've designed the UI to communicate effectively, ensuring users feel in control and well informed throughout their journey.
On our exchange page, the default currency is euro, so you can see that the main two options are large at the top, so you can see them clearly, whether you want to sell euro or buy euro. After you choose whether you're selling or buying euro, you can then enter the amount on the keypad below. After you've entered your amount, it'll enter the chosen currency, then you can hit review order and that will finalize your transaction.
We felt that transactions was one of the most used elements of the Revolut app, and so it was paramount we got it right. We kept our design simple and clear. The user can use the search bar at the top of the screen to search all of their transactions. The button just below that allows the user to begin creating a new transaction, and finally, there is a selection of the user's most recent transactions with a button at the bottom to bring the user to a more comprehensive list.
When designing our investments page for our redesign UI, we wanted to put our prioritizing, grouping, and sharpening principles into practice. We did that along with increasing affordance by having the three most commonly used sectors in investing, which are crypto, commodities, and stocks. We had those in 3 buttons at the top of the page, as well as the user's current balance, which is the largest button on the page. And also, we made sure that the user's biggest investments stocks would be displayed on the page when the stock price would go up or go down, and the green color would represent when the stock goes up and the red color represents when the stock goes down.
Introducing the transactions menu. Here we have displayed what we believe to be the 4 key elements within transactions. These being transactions sent, transactions received, bill payments, and recurring transactions. Firstly, when the user interacts with the transaction sent, they'll be taken to a menu. This menu clearly displays all of their most recent transactions that they have sent to their contacts. Similarly, with transactions received, this will display all of the most recent transactions the user has received from their contacts. In the bill payment section, this will display all of the bill transactions the user has paid. This will be kept separate from their transactions sent, so all of their day-to-day spending isn't bunched together with their more important bills. Finally, the recurring transactions will show all of the transactions that the user makes on a regular basis, such as Netflix subscription or phone bill. These can be scheduled to be paid at a specific time or date to help the user. The overall UI design of the transaction menu has kept the importance of affordance in mind. We believe that we have successfully developed a UI interface that allows the user to know exactly what they need to do to get where they want to.